Today we are going to be taking a look at UBIX Network. Now UBX is a coin that in recent months has gained a lot of hype. We can see, taking a look at the 3-month chart, back in February the 9th it was $0.00012, and today it's gone all the way up until $0.0019. So that is about 100 times increase since then, just over 100 times, meaning if you invested £1,000 back in February 2021, today you would have about, you'd have about £100,000, which is absolutely crazy in my opinion. However, obviously, you know, sometimes like this, the gems are there to be had. So you can see that right now it's trading at $0.0019. It's down 4% day on day. And if we take a look at the 3-month chart, we can see it's peaked at $0.0047 back on April the 10th. It pumped up massively in the space of about a month. Absolutely insane pumps with minimal dips. And then when the market spread of late, this one really did bleed. It fell all the way down from $0.0047 all the way down to lows of about $0.0012, I believe, which is absolutely crazy low, considering, you know, that's about I don't know, about an 80% fall, 70% fall, which is almost unheard of. It's almost, you know, people who invested down here, absolute madness. Now, as it hit this all-time low at 0.0012 for the last 3 months, there was tweets saying that the whales are keeping this down, that, you know, this price is being artificially held down. And then when the market started to recover, UBX actually jumped 100% in the space of like a day, before continuing to rise even further up another 80% the next day, before peaking again at 0.003 and then subsequently falling down again recently. So in the last month, UBIX holders have really been on a massive ride. And if you was able to, you know, buy here, buy low, sell here, buy low, sell here, you know, you could have made a lot of gains off the volatility. Now, it should be noted, I am not a financial advisor, so anything I say in this video should not be taken as grounds to invest. We can see that the current trading volume is up 33% at $8 million. And if you was looking to buy UBX, the best place to do it, in my opinion, is KuCoin, because they've got volume of 4.9 million, 3 million. And if you're looking to sign up to KuCoin, you can use my link down in the description below, and you can get some free KuCoin potentially, or some money off your trading fees. So we can see that their fully diluted market cap is 1.9 billion. If we take a look at their website, we can see what UBIX is. They say they're a digital universe with endless possibilities, meaning that, you know, upon this structure, anything can be built. So we can see it's a hybrid blockchain, meaning that it's, you know, it can host in hybrid and private and public blockchains. If we take a look at what Coin Market Cap says it is, you can see it's a DAG blockchain hybrid designed to integrate blockchains of various types of consensuses into a single P2P network. Users can create their own blockchains of various types, and using their services and their business processes. So really, you know, they're trying to target businesses. People want to, you know, streamline processes via using blockchain structures. And this is a very similar project to LTO, both hybrid sort of blockchains. You know, in terms of partners, I'd say that, you know, I'm invested in LTO. Both of them are doing quite well, but at the same time, you can see here all blockchains created are in a single address space in a common network and can be integrated with each other without any gateways. So it's really about streamlining that process using smart contracts to help streamline this process and enable the mainstream use of blockchain in everyday life for businesses to really come and be common. So we can see here you've got daily airdrops if you hold over 1 million tokens in a certain address, which is a very cool feature where you can get 0.1% more UBIX tokens if you're holding over 1 million and you've sent them to a certain wallet. I think you can look into that a bit further. Taking a look at their ecosystem, we can see they've got custom-made Node NJS exchange, which is I'm not too sure about, but it's quite interesting. We can see as well, here's a quick overview of all the systems. Now, their numbers, their market cap is currently 59 million, which is nowhere near their fully diluted market cap of 1.5 billion. So you can see that there's really about 10% of their 1.9 billion, about 10% or less of their circulating supply, max circulating supply in circulation. Now, I'm not a fan of that, because I like it when there's less, when coins are close to their, you know, circulating supply in circulation, because it means arguably there's less supply coming in the future, and obviously if there's less supply but higher demand, that would lead to the price going up. So obviously what is going to send UBIX to the moon is that everybody starts using UBIX to create blockchains. Businesses, everyday users start using blockchains and creating their own blockchains, hosting on their nodes, and really kind of really use UBIX to build stuff on blockchains, because then more UBIX will be demanded. Assuming the supply stays the same, that would help send UBIX coin price up, hopefully according to the laws of supply and demand on economics. Their team is right here, 17 members. Arguably, they'd say their team's quite strong, and I wouldn't have any reason to doubt that. Now, what is going to, you can trade on KuCoin. I'd be interested to see what the staking markets are like. You can stake it on Stack of Stake. But in terms of what's going to send UBIX crashing down, arguably, projects like LTO, other hybrid blockchains become favored by these big businesses, and UBIX isn't favored. And then you have to look at the current value of the coin. What is, is there too much supply in the future? Is there demand? Is it pumped recently over recent months? Has it gone up too much in this recent pump? All stuff like that. So there's a lot to talk about, and there's a few new projects they're working on, real world projects, and there's more to follow, more announcements to follow this week. Arguably they're to do with like streamlining the business process. They're aiming to accelerate your business. I'll be very keen to see what this project is, and I quite like the way that they're focusing on real world applications. We can see as well that they're talking about a UBIX credit card, where it's yay or nay, where you could spend your UBIX, they probably convert it from UBIX straight to fiat money as soon as you tap or pay with it. So that'd be a very interesting concept if they was able to get their UBIX card, especially if they was to do what Crypto.com got and offer cashback rewards or special rewards. You can also sign up to Crypto.com using my link below and get $25 free crypto. I'll do the same. And we can see, taking a look at UBX crypto recent news, we can see that there's not really that much recent news surrounding UBIX in the recent months, but that doesn't mean to say that there's not a lot of hype around it, because there's still a lot of hype. I know in my crypto group chat, this is a coin that in recent months has come up all the time, notably because of the massive pump. So let me know what you think of this coin. Thank you for watching. Catch you again soon.